So we brought this skid steer over here to unload the hoist for the vehicle so my dad can work on it without getting on the creeper, and it'll be easy for him to get under the vehicles. So, I figured I'd go over. Hope you have your eyes glued, and hope you have your eyes on me, and we'll take a look at Doing skid steer. It's a Caterpillar model 287B here, and it's got a I don't know the horsepower of the engine, but it has a turbo engine, and I think it's I don't see the horse on the side, but it says it's a turbo engine. I thought it'd say it on the other side. Let me go look on the other side. I can show you to unload. I don't. Well, I don't see the horsepower, guys. So I guess it's actually a turbo engine. So I figured I'd make a video starting that up before he comes and gets it tomorrow. So I'll open the door so it ain't stinky in here, so I don't stink it up in here. And it's hard to get through here. So open the door so it's not. Here, so okay, now that I got the door open, here, remove this cover here, and then so take one step on the track, one step on the forklift, and for the forks, take a step right here like this, and you take one step, and then you're right inside the cab, just like this, guys. And then I think the key is up here. So I think uh-oh. I can't remember I don't even know how to start this thing. There we go. Here it is, running, guys. So when you turn the key on, guys, when you start it up, it won't start up. You gotta have this thing put down, and then you can start it up. So here are the. Oh, Here, guys, I could show you that. I'll show you the controls. Taking it. And you don't. Alright. Figured I have a video taking it for a drive. But here are the controls. This lever, what? Well, you always got to put this thing down and then push until it's take it out of park. Then push it again, it will turn back on. But just push it, take it out of park. This lever, what? Picks up the loader. This what tilts the loader, and then this lever, this is reverse, and this is forward. So to back it out, to put it in reverse, you pull it back. So making a video of this thing, and this is turning. You push it this way to make it go left. Pull it this way, it goes right. Then when you want to drive, so goes left. So I'm holding it as I'm going forward here. So, I have this down. And then down here, this is the gas. Put my foot on it, revs up. Put under it, it idles down. So, figured I'd take it for a drive to show you guys. Very high. caterpillars. Sometimes you gotta. That's pretty cool. So you walked up. What? So, what? Took a video of it for you, for YouTube. Well, I wonder really, like this caterpillar skid steer. I'm like this something. Hey, very high, very high. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have very so for dog. My dad. A little more. Dad. No, that. Alright. Yeah. That's good. Okay.